Aaron. We are from EverMobile team. So very good afternoon to Mr. Darren, Mr. Michael, and Mr. Chris. Thanks for coming and become a judges for us. And today we are going to present a NUS EverMobile and food directories. And my partner, Mr. Eugene, will be presenting to you all. Thank you.
So this one is a mobile food directory that you can use it on all the smartphone devices like BlackBerry or Android or even iOS because it's on the web. So any device you can use it. Later we have a demo to show you how is it going to. So it's a web app with food. Yeah, it's a food directory and HTML5. We are using HTML5 and CSS3 some technology like WebKit also, and Rails. We are using Rails as a server-side programming language, and it's on the web, so it's for mobile, but it's able to use it on a browser, normal browser for like a laptop. The interface is fixed. It's suitable for even mobile and web also. I mean a laptop. Okay. So this is an app for students, for staff to find all the information about the food outlets, from canteens to restaurant, to outlets, to stores, to foods. So it's all on this web app. But the data we have to collect from the students, collect from ourselves. Yeah, we are trying to interact with all the societies like Nusu Welfare. Every year they have a competition. I think they are willing to use this app to promote their activities. So actually NUS has a mobile app. Do you all know about it? The m.nus.edu.sg the .edu.sg and i.index, that one. Because this one is the before one. It hasn't used all the CSS3 technology like WebKit, Shadow, and this one we try to improve on it. So it looks nicer, it looks bigger, and the icon we try to edit some, but we use the original thing. So we try to improve on it to make it look nicer, because now it's going to Web 3.0, not just Web 2.0. Yeah. So this one is our app. We call it Mugs and Grubs. But the other one is are all from NUS, the original one. But you have implemented it inside also. So what it does is, the first one is you can find all the outlets there, all the outlets and the canteens. So this one is the first page for you to find all the outlets. It has Burger King, Coffee Club, a lot of I think outlets that the student doesn't know about it. So it's available on this app. The data is available there. You can use it. You can see it. You can find. So first page is to find. And the second thing it does is to load. You click inside. It has a photo. It has the time that the staff, the students insert into the real server. And the third thing it does is to social and comment. We use Discuss as the comment system so that you can like the things and even you can comment on it. I think food directory without a comment system is totally useless, because like Hungry Go, where they all need the comment system to make it socializable. This is important. Like after you eat something, it's good that the student can comment on it. So we are making a directory for NUS so that you have something to complain. You can just come here and complain about the food and the service. It's all workable on the food page, the canteen page, the store page also. Yeah. So yeah, this is our demo time. Thanks. So first, we'll demo it on the iPhone. So we will show you how it works. So you can see that the interface is perfectly workable on the iPhone. And when we click on the Bugs and Grubs, then you can search. There's a search bar there that you can search about it. And this is all the outlets that you can look for it. So for just now I say, but is the first one what you will do is to find something. If you want to go to somewhere, you can just find like Burger King, you can click, then. So it's the image, there's an image, and you load the comment, and you can comment on it. Yeah. And also you can like the page. And there's a time for you to load. Okay. So for canteen is
Food junction.
okay. Like food junction, there's is in the Y page there. So same as outlet is like the canteen has like a store called Toast and Work. You can click, you will link there also. Yeah. Same, you can comment on this store or outlets also. So we have to show you is that the orientation is workable on even vertical or horizontal, because we have added the CSS tree into it. Okay. So it's not just workable on the iPhone, but it's also on the even Nokia, the not really smartphone. So same, you can click, you can switch. The interface is perfectly fixed on it and workable. Oh, shit. Sorry. Yeah. So I hope y'all can see it.
Actually,
Oh, I can see
Yeah.
off the light.
Yeah, so I say just talk about is this web app is perfectly will suit perfectly on all the devices. You can test it. So I think it's okay. Sorry. We want to show you is the next is the search function that you can search on the even you can search on the like you type. So, sorry. So you can search on the phone and it will show you all the available outlets for burger. Yeah, that's all. I know it's simple, but it is useful for the students and the staff. Because I don't think there's an app for this, for the NUS food, the outlets directory. Thanks.
thanks. We're actually testing our phones as well. It's good because we actually get the test on our devices. At least we get the test on our real device versus the other teams which are they're just showing it on their laptops. So how long did they give to build this?
From scratch. Because we are using Rails, so the school doesn't teach us how to use Rails, right? Ruby on Rails, the latest and hottest programming language. So we learn from scratch. I'm the designer. I I did all the client base like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and he's the developer. He did all the Rails. Yeah.
Is there a nearby function? Like if I'm really hungry right now, so I would love to just get or find a place to eat. Right? It doesn't matter if it's a burger or whatever.
Yeah, but it's not. You can't do it because it's not a native app. You cannot access the GPS function on the phone.
Not true.
Not true. Can be. For iPhone, I know cannot.
Can.
sorry, I don't know about it.
So yeah, there's a geolocation API location.
Okay, so
maybe as an addition, you can use that.
Yeah, we are trying to implement a lot more function inside. Even we want to implement like Facebook Live. Even you can tweet, you can +1 the food. Yeah, we can. I mean, a lot of things we can do for this app to make it more socializable and to make it more user interactive.
How would you differentiate or at least make it different from, let's say, Foursquare?
Foursquare. This is for NUS.
So specific to NUS students.
I think most of the users are from NUS students and stuff.
We're trying to grow like we start small first. It's easy to use web app. You can use it. Foursquare, you need an iPhone, you need an Android. Even now, I can even use it from my Nokia. Because not everyone has a smartphone, but Nokia, BlackBerry, they cannot use Foursquare. Yeah, this is better, I think, as compared to Foursquare. But the technology base we cannot compare because they had like tens of thousands of developers there. So just students. If we have the time, then we can do it better. And nicer.
Comment, right? That when you are using third party, the comment system.
Yeah, you can post as guest. This. Yeah, you need to enter your email and you need to enter your name. Only you can comment. And the system will check the IP address, and you prevent the spam. So you cannot just keep on comment. You prevent spam itself. And on the laptop, like you can show you now on the laptop, you can post it as a Facebook user or Twitter user.
But that one should show like a kind of like email or this kind of thing so that I know that. It's like a.
So this one ah. 它的 backend 叫什么？ backend 是我的哦。
Like you can when you are on the laptop, you can use it. You can use any account, post it there. Yeah. Even Facebook. Yeah.
social media lah.
So we are trying to implement social networking idea inside this food directory for the NUS students. I know NUS students like to complain a lot. Like go to every store, this not nice, that's not nice. But we try to make it mobile. You eat AD, you can just comment on it. You can comment on the store, comment on the anything. Then the merchants, they can collect this data from them. Yeah, I think it's useful for them. They know what they lack of, even they know what they're good of. So yeah.
Actually, I see a bigger purpose for this because as a student, you not only eat, you go buy stuff and do other things. So maybe you can actually turn this because you're already doing reviewing. Yeah. So you can actually review other things like where's the better place to study, what kind of place, the better basketball courts and stuff. You can consider looking at YELP.
Yeah. This one is just a first phase that we're trying to come up with something. Even we cannot win this, we will still propose this idea to NUS. I think NUS will take it. Maybe sorry. Maybe NUS, maybe you all will consider about it. Not NUS, you all. Yeah. I think it's useful, really useful. I think this idea is really useful.
Yeah, I like one point is that for like some stores, McDonald's, Subway, if they have any promotion, we can also let them post their flyers on the page. For this one, we are using a food menu given by the food chef for our shoes.
Is there any revenue model for this?
No revenue model.
Because you need to support this in the long run if you really want to make it.
Like how about like Foursquare? They are not earning any money also. Like Twitter, like Foursquare, they are not earning any money also. But when you've got enough traffic, when you've got enough users, then the money will come. I believe this is how the internet does business. The internet companies.
Foursquare is actually, okay, at least for Twitter, they're doing analytics back and actually selling those kind of data.
But after 3 or 4 years, right? So we try to make it like, cause it won't cost us a lot of money, like maybe a few dollars per month to support this only. So we can try to improve on it. A lot of things we are trying to improve, but we need more time so that we can learn more things and try to improve on it. This is our idea.
Question for the Ray guy. We use Ray, right? So do you do like a test like a TDD or like BDD or this kind of thing? Like do you use like some test framework like
yes,
like cucumbers or something like this?
We use Rails. Rails, we provide a test case. So development, test and production.
And then you use a hero code.
Yeah, we use cloud hosting and hero.
So why do you choose hero code?
Because it's suggested by the tutorial and it's easier for use on hero code because we can use actually I'm using a development.
He's using Aptana, so it's easier for him to push the whole code to the GitHub and he can upload to the.
We can push our database.
EverMobile.
I like hero code. So no more questions from them.
EverMobile.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Hero Cool. 没有做过了。没有一个人吧？我。